everyone, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 5. We don't have a ton of stuff going on today. We don't really have much of a plan. The one thing that I definitely do need to do is go to Bath & Body Works because I'm starting to run out of hand soaps and I'm also starting to run out of body wash. And I just love having their Christmas scents for hand soaps and body washes during this time of year. So I do want to take a trip out there so that we can pick up all of that stuff, and I will probably take you guys along for that trip. But other than that, it's a pretty chill day. We'll just have to see what the day brings. Also, before we head out for the day, I wanted to show you guys the bathroom because we did end up decorating in here and I think it looks really cute, and I don't think I've shown you guys in a vlog yet. So first we put this super cute garland around our shower curtain, which I think adds a really nice pop of color because we have such a plain shower curtain and I love that so much. And then on this wall we have this little like stocking mitten thing, and it just matched the colors of the garland here very well, and I thought that it looked good to cover up this bare spot on the wall. And then over the back of the toilet we just have this cute joy sign and this Christmas tree. And then on our towels we did add these two red and white towels, which I think adds a really nice touch to this side. And finally we have this merry and bright sign that we hung up on the wall. I was sad that we didn't use this out in the living room this year because we usually do, and then I remembered that we didn't have anything on this wall over here, so I did go ahead and hang it up right here, and I actually think it matches really well in here. So we are headed out, but first I did stop and get myself a Starbucks because like I said, this is pretty much gonna be an everyday occurrence for me. I love Starbucks, and after a long day of work I definitely need it. And then I also got myself a little sandwich from there because I haven't eaten pretty much anything today besides a smoothie this morning, so I am starving and it's not really even close to dinner time yet. So yeah, we picked that up, but we're going to head to Bath & Body Works. Okay, so we just left Bath & Body Works. We got some hand soaps and body wash that we were needing, which is good. However, it was super packed because I had no idea that they had a huge sale going on today. Their candles were on sale for $9.95, which is actually a very good deal. I'm a little bit sad that I bought so many this season already because I definitely wish I could take advantage of that, but Johnny would probably kill me if I picked up any more candles for this year, so we didn't. But because they're limiting the number of people in the store, we had to stand in line for a pretty long time before we got into the store. And while we were waiting, I was going through Pinterest and I found some cute ideas for DIY Christmas cards, and I was kind of thinking that maybe we should make some Christmas cards for our family this year. So what I think we're gonna do now is we're gonna go to the craft store and get some supplies so that we can make some Christmas cards and then go home and make them. Alright, so we just got home and I wanted to do a little mini haul for you guys and show you what I got at Bath & Body Works. So the first things that I got is hand soaps because we were basically almost out of them, and I picked up the scent Winter Candy Apple, which you guys probably know is a go-to scent for me during the winter. They had these really pretty bottles that I was in love with. They were just these plain white bottles and it just says ho 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 on the front and has Santa's sleigh, which I thought was so adorable. So we got those, and then we got hand soaps in Fresh Balsam. We got 2 of them. Once again, this one is another staple scent for me. This one is my all-time favorite scent from Bath & Body Works, and I was so glad that I was able to find it in a hand soap because I love it so much. And then the last things that I got are just some body washes. I got Winter Candy Apple, which is once again another go-to scent for me, so that one was good. And then I got Vanilla Bean Noel. We had these in hand soaps, and I always really like this scent for Christmas time, the holidays, but we haven't gotten it in a body wash yet, so I was really excited to get this one. Then I also picked up Snowy Peach Berry. Actually, one of you guys mentioned to me that I should try this one out, and ever since then I've been wanting to try this, so I'm really excited about this one, and thank you to whoever suggested that to me. And the last one that I got was Champagne Toast in a body wash. I feel like this one is just a classic one. I also feel like this one goes really well for the New Year time, so once I run out of all these other ones that are more like the Christmassy time, then we will switch to the Champagne Toast. And then the last two things that we have, Johnny did get a body wash. He got the scent Forest, which I feel like is a really nice men's scent, and then he got the same scent in a body cream. I think that these ones are new, so he was really excited to try these. And here is a look at everything that we got from the craft store so that we can make our Christmas cards for our family. I think that we're gonna sit down right now and make these, and hopefully they turn out cute. So we've been working on these for quite some time now. It is currently 9 o'clock at night. We've been working on these for 3 hours now, which is quite a bit of time considering the fact that we have only made 5 cards. Originally, we were planning on making like 25 of them to send out to our entire family, but it's looking like we are not gonna be able to get that done. So I think that we're just gonna stick with these couple that we've made and call it a night on these. But I just wanted to show you guys because I do think that they turned out really, really cute. So this is what they look like. I think they turned out so adorable. What we did is we used little buttons to make a snowman, obviously, and then we used ribbon for a scarf, and then we cut out these hats out of felt, which that is actually the reason why this took so long, because it took entirely too long to try and make cute hats out of these. Johnny and I have both had a lot of trial and error with those, and then we just have these little snowflake stickers, and then for the bottom we used a stamp that says Merry Christmas. We actually also have one that says Happy Holidays, so we alternated with both, and we also have silver snowflakes as well. So all in all, these turned out really cute, but they took a lot longer to make than I thought they would. I thought that this was gonna take like 5-10 minutes per card to put those little buttons on it, but it turned out to be quite the task. All right, and it is time to open up our advent calendars for today. For today's theme on the advent calendar, it was essentials. So basically anything that is essential for us to have, or something that you use on like an everyday basis, basically something along those lines. And that is what we based it on for today. So I went first yesterday, and so it's Johnny's turn to go first today.
Oh, that's so cool. I was actually thinking, like, I see a lot of people with their favorite sports team face mask, and I don't have one, and so now I do. That's awesome. Thank you.
I feel like it's some kind of clothing maybe, because it's soft like that. Maybe. And it has to be essentials, so. Ah. Fuzzy socks. They have little reindeers on them with little hearts. They're so cute. I love these so much.
But wait, there's more.
Oh my god. So we got Santas. These ones are cute. Stripes. Obviously the reindeer ones, which are really cute. Ooh, those are cute with little gingerbread. And then these last ones, also very, very cute. Little Christmas trees and hearts. Oh my gosh, this is such a cute pack. Thank you, babe.
Yeah, you wear fuzzy socks every day. You say it's your essentials. You're currently wearing fuzzy socks.
It is my essentials.
So I couldn't think of anything better for essentials to start off. Really, to start off, what is it? Vlogmas is just 5 days in, so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Welcome.
Do you want your advent? Do you want it? Do you want it? Is this what you want? Is this what you want? All right, I guess you can have one. Got another green bone for today. Bear, lay down. Good boy. Play dead. Good boy, handsome bear. Alright guys, and that is everything for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please make sure to give the video a thumbs up. And of course, subscribe if you haven't already. Leave me a comment down below letting me know what Christmas activities you want to see in the rest of Vlogmas. And I will be back tomorrow with a brand new video. Bye guys!